Hello and welcome. So I've got here in front of me a Chausson 797 Ultimate line. I'm at Caravan Sale in Dusseldorf, and the price of this thing here is €82,000, 736 centimeters in length, 235 in width. For me, it was just above what I would feel comfortable driving. Anyway, so we'll put the lights on if we can get them to that work. Yes, they work. Anything else needed? We'll see how it goes with the light situation. So, nice lot of skylights here anyway. That should allow light to come in. Very tall roof. And chance to have some extra storage up there. I'm not going to say wasted, because you could get some boxes. There's a bit of a ledge on that, and you could put stuff up there, the sort of stuff that you don't use that often. Here, storage in there. Very nice large table. Face-to-face layout. Under these two chairs, there's another chair with a seat belt on it, which will allow you to go forward should you want to do that. I think that's now a legal requirement. Of course, you can't sit in the back without a seat belt anyway. Here we have two burners. We've got a sink. We've got storage under here, which is quite a lot. And here we've got a freezer and fridge. Actually, a fridge with a freezer is probably what it really is. Nice washroom, two drainage points. You can sit on the ledge here, getting your feet clean. Very nice shower, large shower. Turning over here, I will find that I have got a, what do you call one of these things? A door. And there's the toilet, sink, mirror, nice sized toilet. You can actually close all this off if you want. You've got a sliding door here, and fits into there like that. I'll leave it open. And in the back we've got two single beds, can be joined using this thing to stick where I am right now, and you'll need that as well to hold it in position. Under the beds we've got storage, in the stairs up to the bed, storage, and down here I think Chausson what's called a clever box or something. This here is supposed to come out, but I can't get it to come out. But you can store things in there as well if you can find out how it actually works. Window at either side, storage along the back, spotlights, funny sort of headboard, and storage there. Alright, let's now come out. I'll put 5 hinges on this. Mind you, they're not particularly good quality. Step here, step there. Fiat base vehicle. What does that mean? It means they don't have the option of a Ford. Some of them you have the option of Ford, but not this one. Is there anything else I want to show you here? Possibly not. Yes, I want to show you that here. So payload 440 approximately. You got a smaller door there, but at least there's a door at either side. Electric points here, 12 and 230. Cubby holes in the vehicle for storage, lashing straps. Take you around the other side just in case there's something really good here. There isn't. So there you go, 797 Ultimate line from Chausson. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15. Bye for now.